It says here to change the add event listener method to convert button. The event listener should listen for click events and take a reference to the check user input function as a callback. Remember that function references are not called with parentheses. Okay, I don't know what to do, but first let's write down convert button and chain it with the add event listener, and it will listen to an event called click, and then we refer it says take a reference to the check user input function. So check user input function. Now it should refer to this function. So when the convert button is clicked, so if the convert button is clicked and it was listened by add event listener, it should the check user input should be referenced and then log the input that value. A